Scientists have created a new robot that is not made of metal, does not use electricity, and, well, it does the worm. Hey everyone, and welcome to the science show I have yet to give a name, where yes, this week we are talking about robots. This story comes to us from Johns Hopkins, where they have created a robot that is not made of metal, does not use electricity, and does the worm. So let's delve into that piece by piece. First things first, this robot is not made of metal. Instead, it is constructed from a gelatinous substance. It's been described as gummy bear-like. Now, outside of making the robot apocalypse significantly less intimidating, why would you want to make gummy bear robots? Well, the problem lies with traditional robots that are typically made of metal or some other firm substance. Because of that, they have some limitations. Robots that are made of gel or some other soft substance, they can overcome those limitations. The authors of this study specifically mention biomedical applications where sticking a piece of metal in your body may not work, but having a soft robot in there, that could do some things for you. Which brings us to our second point. These robots do not use electricity. So, how do they move? Well, the gel that they use to construct these robots responds to changes in temperature. It can expand or contract depending on how hot it is, which directly leads us to point number 3, that these robots do the worm. Now, for those of you who are unaware, the worm is when you lay down on your belly and you bounce up and down while undulating, so you kind of look like a worm. Now, I use this as a coping mechanism, but other people use it as a dance move, and the scientists use this as a way of making their robot move around. What they did was they took that gel and they 3D printed a robot from it in a specific and engineered way, such that when that gel expanded and contracted in response to temperature, the robot inched along just like a worm. Which leads to the question, what could we use these weird little robots for? Well, the researchers know that these robots can respond to changes in temperature, but they imagine robots that can respond in changes to biochemical markers, so that you could have these robots inside your body, and as various things change inside your body, these robots can move around and deliver important medication to where it needs to go. Now, of course, as with any scientific endeavor, I should note that as far as I can tell, this was a proof of concept experiment that seemed to go pretty well, but as of now, it's not actually being applied anywhere. But hey, proof of concept is kind of the first step to things actually being used, so I still find it very exciting. And with that, I think we will wrap this video up, but thank you so much for watching. While you're here, make sure you leave a comment down below about what you think of these weird little robots. While you're down there, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.